Hey there! Today I have for review a Bluetooth speaker that has been around for quite some time, but I decided to buy one and make a review. Since many of the channel viewers asked if they should choose between this speaker or the Lenovo L01, which I have already reviewed. So I decided to purchase this JBL GO 2 to make the comparison, and also JBL GO 3 is also on the way for a future review. But all of these will appear in new videos on the channel, because today we will both be focused on the GO 2 module. Let's see what's inside of this. Let me put the top camera. Okay, so before opening the box, let's see what we have. Already in the box we can see they say that it has 5 hours of play time, IPX7 waterproof, and also a speakerphone built in. Okay, without further delay, let's take this out, and yeah, let's start by seeing what is in this little box. Okay, and we have here a small USB cable, micro USB to Type A, and we have also, let me just open, I think this is some kind of user manual or warranty. Yeah, it's the warranty card in several languages. I'll be honest with you, I cannot read this even with glasses. It's too small for me. So what we have here, and yeah, it seems pretty nice. We have here the power button. Let me put this in a way you can see it. We have the power button, the Bluetooth button. We have also minus sound or decrease sound and increase sound, and the play and pause button. This can also be used as next music button, forward button. I will show you how in a minute. Okay, so we have a plastic kind of rubber finish. Yeah, pretty good. Some instructions here, some letters, as you can see. Let me just, yeah. And yeah, we have also here a small socket. We have there, I don't know if you can see, a small hole that is the mic. We have a micro USB for charging, and also a 3.5 millimeters jack. It has a very good cover, as you can see, for water resistance. Yep, and you should always assure, if you are going to the water, that is well closed. So yeah, it seems quite okay. In terms of dimensions, this column is 8 centimeters or 3.5 inches in length by 7 centimeters or 2.7 inches in height, and 3 centimeters or 1.6 inches in depth, weighing about 180 grams or 0.46 pounds. It uses Bluetooth 4.1 and has a battery with 730 mAh capacity and a charge time of 2.5 hours, and an approximately playtime of 5 hours, but it depends on the volume you are at. At the maximum volume you can have a shorter battery duration. This column is IPX7, and according to JBL, it can be submerged underwater. It has a 3.5 mm jack, a micro USB socket for charging. It has auto power off function and has a microphone allowing you to answer calls and speak through the speaker. In terms of power, it has 3 watts and relatively good sound, although you have better for similar products, but for higher values. I will power the speaker on and let's see how it sounds. I already have here my surface and I will connect it to the speaker. Let me change to the top camera and see how we can connect it to the Bluetooth. First of all, you will power on using this button. Yeah, the normal JBL sound. You have here a light that shows that it's in charging mode. You press the Bluetooth. Okay, I'm going to add a new device. Now it's searching. Let's see if it appears here. Okay, we have JBL GO. It's connected. Nice. Okay, we have it here. Let's see how it sounds. This is the maximum power. You can also change the volume here. As you can see, it's changing the volume. Pressing once here in this symbol, the play button, it will stop. If you press it again, it will start. Okay, and when running, I will press twice. Let's see if it works. I will press twice for forward the music, to fast forward. Okay. Oh, it's ending. Let's see if it's... We have a new music. Some bits. Okay, now I will press twice to listen to the next music. Again. You have to be fast. Yeah. Okay, it has a pretty nice sound. It doesn't have a lot of distortion when playing. And yeah, it has a very nice price. As I told you, let me stop this. Okay, so I don't have to be screaming to you listening. One little detail, as you can see, you have here a light. When charging, this light will turn red, and when it's completely charged, it will turn white again. Okay, my opinion about this speaker. This is, yeah, you can fit in your hand. It's not too big. You can fit in your pocket without looking a weirdo. Yeah, the price is good. I bought this one for about $20, $20 to $24. I don't know. I don't remember the exact price. And yeah, even in 2021, it's a good option. We already have the Go 3, JBL GO 3, but even so, for twice the price of this one. So, even in 2021, it's a good option for a small speaker, a small portable speaker, waterproofed, totally waterproof. You can submerge this in water. You can throw it to a pool without any problem. Just don't forget to close this cover, this cap. And yeah, it's a pretty good speaker, very nice option, but you will be well served with this one. And yeah, Yeah, I will have a comparison between this and the Lenovo L1. It's much smaller, with a tremendous high definition sound. It will not distort even in the maximum. This has in some music has a small distortion, but very small. Yeah, very good speaker. I'm impressed with it. Yeah, that's it. If this review was useful to you, please don't forget, give a thumbs up. Please, it will help me and the channel. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that bell so you can be the first one to be notified when I launch new videos. Videos like this, and for example, the new review I will do between the JBL and the Lenovo L1, and also between this Go 2 and the Go 3 speaker. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching until the end. Stay safe. Bye.